What's up, online shoppers? If you are someone who is a CPAP machine user, you know that the pieces you use all the time do go through wear and tear, and they do have to be replaced. So if you are looking for a really great replacement, I love these ones. This is the one that my father-in-law uses all the time on his machine, and I'm the go-to person for ordering. When I came across these ones, I knew I'd found some good ones. Basically, when this doesn't fit right anymore, everything feels off. You get leaks, discomfort, and disrupted sleep. All of that adds up fast, and so you want to be able to find a reliable replacement that you can just switch out and have uninterrupted treatment without having to adjust to something different. Now, what's great about it is you get a 2-pack of these in this box, and it's made specifically for the N20 frame. It's virtually exactly the same as the one that you got your machine with. One of the things that I loved about this was the immediate sense of quality when I pulled it out of the packaging. The silicone around here is super soft. It has a smooth, almost velvety texture to it. It's flexible, but it doesn't feel flimsy at all. Like, it is tough. The connection between the two parts of the mask is really good. And also, there's no weird smell or tacky finish to it. It sits really nice on your face anyways. It's soft enough to make a comfortable fit, but firm enough to hold its shape to make sure that you've got a pretty good connection all the way around and you don't have leaks. Now, swapping this out for the older cushion took, I don't know, seconds. It was really easy, just really like a little twist and it's in. My father-in-law told me was he really liked the seal that it made around his face. So whether or not you're a side sleeper or a back sleeper, this is going to stay in position nice and comfortably and securely throughout your night of sleeping. Now, this is a box that's on repeat purchase at my house. We order these same ones all the time because they are something that my father-in-law loves. Over time, they do wear out, just like anything, but it's nice to know that when you reorder a new pack, they show up exactly like you expect them to show up, the same that you had before, and you can interchange them seamlessly with the other ones and not have to go through any adjustment period. So if you are using a ResMed N20 mask with your CPAP machine and you are looking for replacement nose cushions, this one here is going to be absolutely a go-to for you. Really good quality material. It lasts a super long time. This replacement here is definitely a solid choice. It's comfortable, easy to swap in, and that's what's made this one here a family favorite at my house.